The United States Constitution starts with the words, "We the people." The Oklahoma Bill of Rights starts with a declaration that all political power is inherent in the people. Not the few, not the government, not those who would seek to impose their will upon the people. And in Oklahoma, we the people have a fundamental constitutional right to direct democracy. And that constitutional right is enshrined in the sacred, precious, and fundamental right to referendum and initiative petition. As you know, what we're doing here today is we're coming to file an appeal on a referendum petition. That appeal relates to our exemplary efforts this past fall to circulate a referendum petition to put the Arena and Entertainment District in Norman to a vote of the people. We gathered 11,602 raw signatures, 10,689 certified signatures in a mere 27 days. That's thousands more than we had to get. And we did that under the most restrictive referendum procedures and processes known to Oklahoma law. Now, we circulated a well-put-together, lawful petition. It was lawful on the gist, yes, completely lawful on the gist. Now, today we seek to vindicate the people's fundamental right with this appeal. We seek to vindicate the people's fundamental right to direct democracy. The Rock Creek Entertainment District is a momentous, unprecedented, and concerning plan. It would amount to the largest TIF in Oklahoma history, by far. There are consulting studies done by the city and county that raise grave fiscal and economic consequences to the plan. There are problems and there are issues that many petition signers had with the University of Oklahoma ending its long-standing rich tradition of on-campus sports and moving them to miles away from campus. Now, the proponents of the Arena and Entertainment Project talk of it as an exciting opportunity, a chance to get more visitors to Norman from outside of Norman. A great thing with all kinds of retail, entertainment, offices, housing, and so on in the district. Well, our referendum petition sets aside completely the question of who is right on these points, of whether it is a good, bad, or indifferent project. All our petition seeks to do is put this to a vote of the people. And it does so in the way that our city and our state do. That is the way we do things in Oklahoma when we're talking about momentous, large public financing projects. Whether it be Norman Forward that brought us the Young Family Athletic Center, whether it be OKC Maps, whether it be the Oklahoma City Thunder Arena, whether it be the Oklahoma City softball stadium being upgraded for NCAA championships and the Olympics, whether it be the Tulsa BOK Center, whether it be Tulsa's momentous Improve Our Tulsa project from just a couple of years ago. What we do in Oklahoma is we put things to a vote. And we do not try to avoid a vote at all costs. If those who pursue and want to do a project of this magnitude give us a good package, they make their case, we pass it. We know that for sure. We passed Maps, we passed Norman Forward, we passed all of these things. Now, what's going on right now is we have to understand that there are forces in our world, in our state, in our locality, who are seeking to take away the people's fundamental rights, including our rights to speak, including our rights to vote, including our rights to be heard. And that stretches, this referendum petition is more than an economic development project. It is about that. whether it's about economic development for the few rather than the many, whether it's about abuse of eminent domain for the few, whether it's about silencing the voice of the people at a public meeting, whether it's about neglecting public education and health, or all the other things that make people's lives worthwhile. Let's not let people take away all those things that make we the people's lives worthwhile. This is part of a journey, and we want everyone to join us in that journey. So please, everyone listening outside, everyone who's here, please join us in that journey and do not leave. Stay with us until we prevail. Thank you.